Hi Tier babes, I'm back with another video, back with another banger, back with another taste test. And today we're gonna be trying a cookie from Boujee Munchies. Look at that. It's already warmed up. If you wanna warm it up though, take it out of this first. It smells good. This flavored classic walnut chocolate chip they sent me. It's a big cookie. Walnuts and chocolate chips in there, and it's nice and warm. Y'all go first. Okay. It's good. Now, I will say the cookie is baked all the way through, so it's not really doughy. It's more like on the cake side, but I will say it's definitely sweet. The walnuts give it that crunch, the chocolate is warm, and then everything there is gourmet. So I give this a solid 8 out of 10. Definitely will have this with some milk, you know. So yeah, overall it will get like a 8, 9 out of 10 for me. And you don't need a lot of these. You just need to get you probably 1 or 2. Don't get you too many, because this is a big cookie. I'm not even gonna finish this because this is a very big cookie. But yeah, make sure you go try Boujee Munchie for my, and get you some of these. Get you some of these. You know you want this. Bye Tier babes. Thank you.